How to do vertical years animation like Iman Gadzhi in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel, click on Titles, and drag a text plus in Timeline. With the text selected, open up Inspector panel. Type some years each in one line and change text style to your liking. Now click on the Settings tab and expand Cropping option. At the bottom of Viewer, from drop-down choose Crop. Crop the text to only see 1 year in the center of the screen. Increase Soft Edge a little bit. Go to Title tab and then click on Layout tab. Move the playhead to the start, click on diamond button next to Center, and increase Center Y value until the first year is visible. Move playhead around 2 seconds forward and decrease Center Y until the last year is visible on the screen. Click on Settings tab, check Motion Blur checkbox, and increase shutter angle to 360. To smoothen the animation, click on this button to open the text on the Fusion page. Open up Spline panel and check the Template checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curve to the keyframes. Then go back to the Edit page.